Hello students, see now today we will do the examples based on set theory. Given universal set U, see the universal set U is contain how many number of elements? 1 to 10 elements. A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 4, 6, 8, C 3, 4, 5, 6. And mention find A union B, A intersection B. This is the example. We will do one by one. Okay, solution. First, mention A union B. The set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Set B 2, 4, 6, 8. This is mentioned. Okay. And set C is given 3, 4, 5, 6. This is sets. Okay. First example, first one, A union B. What is the definition of A union B? A union B definition is the A union B contains the elements set of all which are belongs to set A and set B. The common elements we are taking only one time. A union B definition in A dagiruವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ B dagiruವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಕಾಮನ್ ಇರುವಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. See, A and B elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 4 repeatedly given, therefore we are taking only one time. 6. This is A union B. We saw this. Okay. Next, second one mentioned A intersection B. For intersection definition, we know that we are taking the common element between A and B. See, the common element between A and B. Here also 4 is there. Here also. Therefore, A intersection B is what? Okay. And third one mentioned A union B union C means the elements present in both A, B and C. Okay. A union B union C. All elements C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 6, 8, 5. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. This is A union B union C. Means we are taking the elements belongs to A, B and C. Common elements we are taking only one times. This is how we can calculate. Okay. And next step is A dash. Calculation of A dash. And we know that complement set A dash element present in A but not in element present in U but not in A. That is A dash we can represent U minus A. Different set. Nodri A dash andra U dagiರಬೇಕು but ಎದರೋ ಇರಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ A dagiರಬಾರ್ದು elements. U minus A. Nodri ತೋರಿಸು element present in U but not in C. U minus A means we are doing the subtraction of 1, 2, 3, 4. Remaining elements we are writing. Okay. Remaining elements are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And next B dash mentioned. Correct. B dash calculation. B dash nothing but U minus B. Element present in U but not in B. See. These 2, 4, 6, 8 we are doing the subtraction. Therefore left elements are noted. B dash ಅಂದ್ರೆ U minus B. U ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಎದರೋ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು B ದಾಗ ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. 1, okay, 2 is there, therefore we have 3. Next 4 is there, remove that. 5, next 6 is there, remove that. 7, 8 is there, remove that. 9, 10. These are the elements present in U but not in B. These are the examples based on A dash and B dash. Okay. Next calculation is A union C the dash. A union C the dash. First calculate A union C. Element present in A and C. See, A elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. C elements are 3, 4 already there. Only 5, 6 we have got. 5, 6. dash is what? U minus A union C. U minus A union C. Right? U minus A union C means element present in U but not in A union C. U ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು but A union C ದಾಗ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 1 2 3 4 5 6 they have to remove the right remaining elements 7 8 9 10. Okay, element present in U but not in A union C. Okay, in this way we can calculate. Next one, the last one, 9th one I will take B minus C. Okay, later on I will do one by first. After the calculation of A union C, we will take next one is A intersection B union C. Means first A, set A is what? 1 2 3 4. Intersection mentioned B union C means element present in B and C are 2, correct, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. All together elements we are taking. Next, is there any common element between these two sets? See, 2 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there. Means common elements are 2, 3, 4. Means A intersection B union C is 2, 3, 4. Okay. And next one mentioned A union B intersection C. A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection B and C. Is there any common element between B and C? Just concentrate. B and C. Which one is the common element? C. Which one is the common element? A union B intersection C. C. 4. Here also 4. Next and 3. No. Means the elements are 1, 2, 3. Okay. These are the calculation of A union B intersection C, A intersection B union C. Next, B minus C, correct. Element present in B but not in C. B ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು but ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, C ದಾಗ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ನೋಡಿ, B elements are what? 2, 4, 6, 8. C elements are 3, 4, 5, 6. B ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕು, C ದಾಗ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. See, that one which one we have to remove? 4. Correct. Next 6. Correct. Means we have to write 2, 4, 8. Element present in B but not in C. Next B minus C that dash means U minus B minus C. Element present in U but not in B minus C. Means we have to remove these elements 2, 4. Nodri B minus C that dash andre ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. These are the elements belongs to B minus C the dash. Okay. Next. A. What is our A? 1, 2, 3, 4. A dash means U minus A. Element present in U but not in A. We have to remove the elements belongs to A. 1, 2, 3, 4 we have to remove. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next. A dash the dash means U minus of A dash. U minus of A dash means we have to remove element present in U but not present in A dash. Means we have to write what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means what we get it is A. Therefore we can write A dash the dash is A. In this way we can calculate the given examples. Next, another one example I will give homework. Please try to solve that example in home. That is, set is same, but elements A I will change is 1, 2, 5, B 5, 6, 7, and C 7, 9, 10. The examples are similar only. Calculate A union B, A intersection B. Only set A, B, C are changed. Take this one as homework. Okay. Next, next is mentioned example. If set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then find the number of subsets. Number of subsets of power set. Subsets of power set of A. We have the formula, the power set, number of power set of A is 2 to the power n. This is the calculation of number of subsets of power set. And we know that power set is nothing but collection of all subsets. Okay. Here the given set A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means number of elements present in A is what? N of A is 5. Correct. And we know the number of power set of A, formula 2 to the power 5. How many number of elements are present here? 32 elements. Okay, 32 subsets are there in the given set. Remember it. This way we can calculate. 1 marks question. Note 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 set and the total number of elements present in the set is 5. But our calculate subsets of power set total number. That formula already. N of P of A is 2 to the power n. N is elements of 5 2 to the power 5, 32. And the power set subsets 32 subsets. 1 marks question. Next example is given. If n of P of A, number of power set of A is given 64, then find the number of subsets. Number of elements present in set E. Okay, given solution. N of P of A is given 64, and this formula is what? 2 to the power n is 64. Correct. And we know that 2 to the power 6 is 64, means n is what? 6. Number of elements present in set A is what? 6. Okay. Next is mentioned. Which are two methods of representation of set? See, given example is which are two methods? Which are two methods representation of set? There are two methods. One is roster form, another one is set builder form. One is roster form, another one is set builder. Okay.